maybe violence, maybe nasty treatment of women. Too little of what? What's missing? What would you like to see more of? What were the most boring parts? What were the most exciting parts of this poem for you, and why? What about the gods? This is a religious text after all. What are you supposed to take away from your reading of this text in regards to the gods and a certain theological orientation? How about this one? If you built a civilization off this poem, and this is what many scholars argue, what would that civilization look like? Some will say lots of sex and violence. Some will say a distrust of women that, of course, will bring us the patriarchy. Occasional kindness in the middle of a lot of violence. I quoted the line earlier. Let's finish with this line. A scholar once said that the Iliad shows what it means to be human in the midst of senseless violence. Does this make sense to you? Well, there's the Iliad. We turn now to the Odyssey, but before we get there, and then to follow that one, an analysis of Virgil's Aeneid, but before we get there, let's do one lecture where we kind of summarize the stories that we will call the Fall of Troy. I hope you've enjoyed this study as much as have I. Thank you very much.